Hey family, welcome back to Katos Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and yesterday was a damn crazy day. We all participated in the cock pre-sale, the Cardano based meme token, and some of us get hold of those tokens. And if that token pumps, some of us going to make a hell lot of money. So if you are someone who has not yet joined our Telegram group, I sincerely request you to join it today. It's a brand new group. People share their views and the new token launches. Everything is covered on that group and shared every day. Also remember to subscribe to my channel because I share everyday crypto updates just for you. So let's get started with today's video. So this is about the BRC20 token, the new token standard on the Bitcoin blockchain. We know about ERC20 token, we know about BEP20 token, and now it's time for BRC20 token. Now before I talk about BRC20 token, remember Dogecoin, the Doge chain also have their own DRC20 token standard. So this is the video that I shared just 3 days back, how you can buy, mint Dogecoin DRC20 token on the Doge chain. So this is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You can watch this video. If you don't have much budget to mint BRC20 token, you can mint DRC20 token. Now it is brand new and it has a potential to make you a lot of money. Remember, most of them are meme coins, so please do your due diligence and research before investing in any token. I am here to share the knowledge and share the videos which can mint you a hell lot of money in a very shortest possible time. So let's get started with UniSat. Remember to subscribe my channel before I continue this video. If you want to mint BRC20 tokens, or if you want to inscribe on Bitcoin blockchain, you need to have this website, which is unisat.io. I will share the link in the description of the video so you don't have to worry about it. So first of all, the condition one is you need to have a UniSat wallet, and for that you need to go to this website only, and my wallet is there, so it is not showing the download button, but if you refresh it you will see a glimpse of the download button right over here. See, so this is the download button where you can download this wallet in your browser and then go ahead with the further steps. So this is the browser. It works something similar to MetaMask. You can say that everything is pretty straightforward, just like Deepal wallet, which is the wallet for Dogecoin for minting DRC20 token. As I shared in my last video, you need UniSat wallet. So if you click on UniSat wallet, you will know that it contains BTC balance. So let me just talk about this wallet first. This is how it looks, and this is how the transactions are. Your tokens, your BRC20 inscription which you purchased should be shown here, and this is the history. If you want to check the transaction like an explorer, you can check it on the mempool.space right over here. So this is your wallet address and it will share all the details that you have, including the inscription. So if you want to check any transaction, you need to just put it right over here and search it, and it will show you every detail about that particular transaction. Also, if you go back to UniSat wallet, I will show you what all it has. So you can send, this is the receive, you can send, which is pretty straightforward. So it has 3 options: low, average and fast, whatever speed that you like to send your BTC. You can buy BTC, continue with the MoonPay. So MoonPay integration is there, so no worries. Also remember to check the bottom option, which is this. So this is the browse option. It will take you through what is trending and what is going on in the UniSat universe, the BRC20 universe. You have the image, you can just click on anything. Let's say I click on this video, which is basic instinct. So this is there, so I can preview it and check what all is going on in here. So this is like, giving you a glimpse of what's going on in the ecosystem right on your wallet. So if you want to purchase it also, you can do it. So let's go back to UniSat wallet and show you. Like, I just click on this video, and if I click on this, it is showing me the content, and this is the Genesis transaction. I think it has been purchased already. So it is a place where it shows all the transaction going on, what is going on in the ecosystem, what is trending, what is not. So you can see every detail about this particular inscription, which is a video file. So this is about the wallet. And also, if you want to check out other stuff, let's go below it. So this is here. You have the marketplace, Magic Eden, OpenAudex, and inscription services. So you can always check them out, and these are the settings. So currently I'm using Taproot. So Taproot is preferred wallet type that can be used when you start using UniSat wallet. Otherwise, you can use native SegWit. So if you are, you want your tokens to shift from Coinbase, let's say to your wallet, to your UniSat wallet, you need to have a native SegWit because Taproot won't work in that case. But by default, Taproot is the best kind of preference compared to native SegWit. So that's up to you. You can search more on this. So let's get started. So this is the website UniSat. You need to have UniSat wallet. That is step number 1. Make your account, check it out, browse the wallet, check all the details, and then go to this. So if you want to start with inscription or put your own text, images, video file on the Bitcoin blockchain, you can use inscribe. You can use the function here, and here you can choose .sat name or BRC20 names, let's say BRC20, and you can deploy using your ticker and stuff like that. For more details, you can read more about BRC20, how to inscribe. So let me talk about the BRC20 purchasing part, the mint and buying part. So this is BRC20. You need to go to this tab, and once you go to this tab, you can either search it here, the balance in the address, or you can search the token type. So this is the OD, Meme, Punk, Pepe. So these are all the tokens that has been sold out, which means their mint is over. You can only buy it from the marketplace. So if I want to click on OD, the only choice I have, so these are the details that you can check. The only choice I have is to trade them on the marketplace. So it will take me to the marketplace where I can purchase these inscriptions. You can see 100 OD. This one is 39 sats per OD. For one OD, it is charging me 31039 sats. So this is close to $8.44. So if you want to know how much sat is compared to $1, you can just go to this calculator. I will share the link in the description of the video so you can see. Let me type 31039. So once I type it, 31039 sats, it gives me $8.44. So this is equals to this one where I was. So this is $8.44, and this is 100 odds. 100 into 8.44. 100 into 8.44 is $844. So that's how you calculate the cost of this inscription. Similarly, you can calculate the cost of any inscription. So click on buy. So once you click on buy, all the details is something, it works something similar to, you can say, buying any ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Just like buying any NFTs, you can buying this inscription. So it is kind of NFTs for you. So you can confirm it, you can check the fees, service fees, total value, network fees. Everything is done, confirm, and it will be done. And once it's done, you need to go to your UniSat wallet, and once you go to the UniSat wallet, it will reflect not in this, maybe in this first BRC20. It will reflect here. The box will be made right over here. So that's how you can see. And if you want to see the history of the transaction, just click on view history. It will take you to the mempool section, and there you can see the history of it, like this one, like this mempool.space. And here you can see the history of the timestamp and the complete transaction. So that's one part of doing it. The second part is you can do is go to BRC20 token and check the token which you want to mint, but they are not just sold out. So click on this part which is in progress, and if you see there is any potential in some token, let's say FERC 8 back, so these tokens are not yet completely minted, so you can definitely go out and mint them. Let's say I go to this to buy option. So if I go to this to buy option, it will show me new type. So these are the details that I told you. You can always check them out and investigate. So these are the wallet holding the percentage of this inscription, and this is the OKX link. You can check out the OK link for details, and this is the trade. You don't need to do that because it is just 30% completed. You need to mint directly. So once you are not 100% minted, you can do it by clicking on this mint directly link. Once you click on it, and then you can mint. You don't have to deploy it, you need to mint it. Click to buy, repeat mint how many times you want. Let's say just one time. If I click on next, so this is the code that is generated. Please check the code. So P stands for protocol. So I told you this thing about in the BRC20 token standard. P is the protocol, which is BRC20. OP is the operation, which is mint. It is not deploying, it is not transferring, it is minting. So check this very carefully because OP means operation type. So this is mint. Ticker is to buy, which is correct, and amount is 10,000. So 10,000 to buy inscription are what you are going to mint. If I click on next, so these are the details, check it out clearly, and if your wallet is connected, the wallet will be shown here, and then you go down and choose economy, normal or custom, what type of network fees that you want. If the speed is fast, it will inscribe quickly and it will transfer fastly to your wallet. Again, these are all the details. You can submit and pay invoice. Once you are done, again go to your UniSat wallet, and once you go to your UniSat wallet, you will see it right over here. It will reflect. If still you have doubt, remember to view the history and go to the mempool.space and it will show you all the details. So this is my wallet address. I can just copy it if I want. So this is the marketplace. If you want to directly purchase from the marketplace, you can just go here and check out everything. So all the details are covered right over here. All you need to do is just go to unisat.io and things will take care of itself. So that's why I tell you about joining the Telegram group, because all such details are covered in advance in the Telegram group. You will get the latest update on the new token launches and the latest news on the Telegram. Of course, you can get it on this YouTube channel, but the exclusive detail will be placed first on the Telegram group. So go follow and join the community. It will be fun to have you there. So that's about it. Do drop your comments below and you can also share that on the Telegram group. I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.